One of the things that kind of I was thinking about is like there are a bunch of really good initiatives that you've talked about. I love the apprentice program that you've described. And I think you said to something to the effect of you are only one person. And so you need help, right? You need to help teach other people how to do the TCOs so that they can go and find new opportunities. But I guess kind of the broad question is, what can we do to help? Either Dave and Vlad or the people listening, what can we do to help to bring more factories, more facilities, more jobs back into North America? Because that helps all of us in the end.
No, if there are, I break it down between the buyers and the sellers. So if you work at a company that's mainly a buyer, you buy a lot of components, a lot of material, a lot of finished products, well, then encourage procurement, purchasing within your company to rethink. And if you know they're importing a lot, and especially if you know they're having problems with deliveries, then say, hey, why don't we get them locally? How about that factory that we own down the street that's only half used? Why don't we get that going again and hire some people and get things going right here in town and help our town and our state and our country? So but that's for buyers. And for sellers, it's use the TCO as a sales tool and try our import substitution program that'll help identify the leads. If it's buyers, if it's like consumers, yep. Americans are great consumers. That's how we dragged China out of poverty to supply us. Okay, so I had this I think fun quote. If you're out at a store and you're about to buy something, and it's made outside the United States, especially China, ask yourself, am I buying this because I need it or just because I like buying things and I don't really need it? Well, if you're just buying it because you're just for fun, well, then look around the store and find something made in the U.S. that you don't need that you could buy just for fun.
I like that.
Because you don't need it. It shouldn't make any difference. And then you'll have equal or more gratification for yourself from the buying process, and you'll give an American the gratification of having a job to produce the product. So just think about what you're buying. It's hard. I mean, I go into stores and I want to buy something made in USA, and I can't find anything.
Yep.
In the categories I look at, there's nothing there. And so what I call on retailers to put a big sign up over their service desk and say, with a big flag on it, say, ask us about our made in USA products. And then if I come up and ask them, they oh sure, they print shirts, aisle 3, shelf 4, running shoes, aisle 6, row 7, or something like that. And now I can find the made in USA. And then if people keep asking them, then hopefully they'll have more made in USA products. They'll sell more made, and things keep going better, kind of thing. So there's a lot that retail can do, that consumers, manufacturers, government. There's a role for everybody. My goal is to bring back 5 million manufacturing jobs, which is a 40% increase in U.S. manufacturing.
Wow!
And it needs Dave and Vlad and everybody out there listening.
Absolutely.